Morning everyone. Today I'm going to give you the analysis of 2023 mathematics paper for solutions and and analysis. The question is very easy. You can see here. Number one question is the state true or false on any finite set x and 1 function f such that x tends to x is necessarily onto. So is it true or false? It is true. Obviously you can see one analysis I will show you here. You can see f is a function, is 1 function if you consider it, and in codomain a, fa1, fa2, fa3, fan, these are our these are range of this function. If a1, a2, a3 are the elements of a, which is a finite set, so fa1, fa2, fan, these are the image of a1, a2, a3, and these are also finite, has the pre-image of a, and a is finite set. So and range of f, if we find, then it will be fa1, fa2, like this, fan, and which is our codomain. So we know that if range of f is equal to codomain, then it will be onto. So therefore we can say this function is onto. So if it is 1 and if and is a it is a 1 function, then we can say that it is also onto. So number one is true. Number two is cos inverse x is equal to y, then the value of y, obviously we know that this is range of cos inverse is obviously 0 to pi. Option A is correct. Fill in the blanks. There are all possible matrices of order 2 cross 2, which is entries 0 to 1. So 0 and 1, if we draw matrix, then we know that 2 cross 2 matrix overall. Here a11, a12, a21, a22. So as every element you have to fill with 0 and 1. So first place can be filled in 2a, second also can be filled in 0 and 1 only 2a, third option also can be filled in 2a, fourth option also filled in 2a. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 2 16. So answer will be 16. Then what do you mean by the critical points of a function? So we know that critical point of a function is the point at which the differentiation is 0 and either differentiation 0 or differentiation does not exist. Next question is, give an example of a function which is continuous but not differentiable. Obviously it is a modulus function which is continuous but not differentiable. Okay, then you can see this function, this is just integrating, you will get the result. This is book problem, very easy. Next is order and degree of this function. So if we take squaring both sides, then also this order will be 2n, and degree does not exist because a cos dy by dx given. So next is this function, this I think it will be option number 4 is the correct answer. And then also once you will do find the Cartesian equation of this plane, x plus y minus z is equal to 2, that will be the answer. And define Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trials, you know the definition, just you have to write Bernoulli trial. There are some points we have that for Bernoulli trial there should be a success, and the trial should be independent. And so like this, some definitions given in book, you may see that is very easy questions. Then number 2, this range 1 function and onto and inverse of this function is very easy. And if we say number 2, this is directly book NCERT book problem, it's given. So this reflex symmetry transitive is very easy question. This is question number 3. It is also directly from book, you may easily solve this question. These are options also. This problem also from NCERT book, using properties of determinant, shows that these common questions. And a square matrix is real entries prove that a plus a is symmetric. M is a book problem. It is a theorem given in NCERT book, very easy question. Dy by dx of log x, you know that 1 by log x, we have to consider this log x. The log x is 1 by x, and again we differentiate log x, then it will be 1 by x. So answer will be 1 by x log x. It's very easy question. This is also, you may convert it into pi minus cos inverse, and then cos 1 minus x square, and then you may use the formula. And so this is also one of the easy questions given here. And then y to the power x, x to the power y, taking log both side, you can solve this. This is very easy. Then question number 6, here also it is also one of the easiest question. Here you can take x common, then easily we can solve this question. This is formula, and this is very easy question. This is book problem. These are also book problem, but this is the easiest question, I think. Just highlight property you have to use and integrate this function. These are just t you have to consider. Next one, the 9 you have to take common, and then indicating will get the result. Differential equation, you may do easily this question. First it will be trying by first you have to try for and this what called is separation, I think, and then particular solution of the differential equation. This linear given. This very easy questions, all are easy questions given. I think this is a paper which one students have should get 100 upon 100 because it's very easy questions. Then this one is directly from NCERT book. And the next question also answer in direct common. This is a very easy question. This is also one of the easiest questions I have seen ever in Assam Higher Secondary Council. It's a dy by dx parametric form given, just dx by dt, dy by dt, and then this is vector equations respectively. Show that the points a, b, c with position vector this respectively forms a vector of a right angle triangle. It's also easy questions. Right angle triangle, we may use Pythagoras theorem to show the right angle triangle. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a vector plus b vector a minus b vector. Unit vector you have to find perpendicular to this cross product. You know that after that unit vector you have to show and evaluate the dot product. Is very easy. And this is same questions you have done in NCERT books. A bag 10 balls and each market with one of the digits 0 to 94 are drawn successively with replacement from a bag, and what is the probability that one ball is marked with the digit 1. Same problem given in NCERT book. And this is also continuity and discontinuity questions. This is very easy questions, exactly same questions we have in NCERT book. Elementary transformation, this one is easy and this one also easy. Anyone you may do, both are easy questions. Radius of a circle increasing at the rate of 0.5% and the rate of increased circumference. Directly, you know that this is NCERT book, directly given from NCERT book. These questions also interval you have to find the interval function is strictly increasing or decreasing of this function. Then the points on the curve which is tangents parallel to x-axis. You know that if parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. So easily you can find the points, local maxima or local minima. This is you may use first derivative test or second derivative test. Evaluate modulus function. This is one of the easiest question we have done in NCERT book. And next one, cube, sine cube given 0 to pi by 2. This is also one of the easiest question. There are so many way we can do. Either you may sine 3 theta formula, or by breaking also you can do it, changing limit. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve. Common question from book. Those who have done, I think those who have completed NCERT book, they easily can solve all these problems. Find the differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. Very easy question. General solutions of the differential equation. I have to find general solutions first. I think it will be linear. If you try, then I think it should come. This is homogeneous differential equation. Find the vector equation of the plane passes through the intersection. This is one of the important questions which I have given earlier in my class. Just you have to convert in Cartesian form, and then first equation plus lambda into second equation, and then putting the points. I think this 6 marks almost all the students have done. And then the vector and Cartesian equation line passes through the point this, and this is also very easy questions. So that the point these are perpendicular to each other, just perpendicular. You have to show a1, a2, b1, b2, c2 equal to 0, sorry. And then graphical method, everyone have done this question, I think. And last one, this is also almost same type questions you have done in NCERT book, and this is exactly from NCERT book. These questions, though I have completed, they have easily done all these questions. And last one is define independent event. So and independent event, you know that probability of E union E intersection F is equal to P into PF. So the definitions you have to write. So those who completed the NCERT book easily, they I think get 100 upon 100. So I say earlier also, so all the students that think about NCERT book before all other books. If you done NCERT book, obviously more than 90 easily you can get it. Okay, so thank you students. Later on I will give a full solutions video, but now for today I hope all of you will get most of you will get 100 or maybe more than 80 at least. Thank you.